Hello HecticOctopus. This week I am in low quality. Oh, but it's not low quality week. Don't turn off yet. No, don't. My brother took the normal camera and he's using it to film ants. Ants. I said ants. Yeah, he's using it to film insects and yeah, he just needed a good camera, so I gave it to him. So I'm filming on my phone. I hope you like it. I like it. It's casual, you know. This week we are playing the Wikipedia game. So the Wikipedia game is basically I have to click random article and talk about the thing that comes up first. And I have to talk about that for about, I don't know, for a few minutes. And then, yeah, you are going to enjoy that because I probably don't know anything about the thing that is going to hit me now. Yeah, but it's a good idea, I think. Thank you, Declan. You are awesome. First thing. Oh, that doesn't look good. Okay. Okay, I'm cheating now. Sorry, I don't know anything about... I don't even know what that is. No. Okay, I'm talking about this. Can we just... No. Okay, you guys, you have five tries. If the first 5 is just 2 sentences and you still don't know what it is, then you are allowed to click another one. Okay? Yeah, thank you. Okay, I got onto a band called Sweet Noise, and Sweet Noise likes to play live, which I can see from a picture. I've never heard of them. I'm not playing with the rules right now, but I am searching for their YouTube videos so I can listen to them. Wait, what's happening? Oh, what's happening? Okay. Okay, I think we got it. Okay, I'm sorry. Obviously, it's not English, it's Polish. I like Polish, actually. I think it sounds like Russian. I'm not supposed to compare languages because I know how it feels. I know the feel, man. But, you know, it does sound similar, and like a lot of metal bands, they started off really slow and I was kind of like, nah, what the hell am I listening to? And then they kind of got a bit more heavy and I liked it. I liked that part. I guess I'm gonna thumbs up the video because it's nice. I don't know. Let's just thumbs it up. You should actually look at my feed and then you're gonna find it. Oh yeah, and when I say feed, I don't mean my feet, I mean my feed on YouTube. Oh, this should be a dancing channel. Please tell me what you think about that.